this is the Samsung branded Pro Plus SD card with SD adapter. So you've got your little micro SD card there, and if you do need an adapter, so for example you want to pop it inside a laptop, for example, which is probably the main reason why you'd want it, you can just put that in there and it will function as either a micro or one with the adapter as well. You've got your speed information on the top there, and as you say, it most commonly is used in things like smartphones, just to expand the memory size inside them, so you can have things like videos and more music and pictures. Very good for content creators like myself, also for obviously cameras and drones if you do use a drone. There's the information on the reverse if you wanted to pause and read it, explaining all about it. But yes, just your general SD card. So let's get it open and take a look. And there you go. So there you've got your micro SD card there, and then you've got your adapter, and you would just pop it in there and place that inside your laptop, for example, or other device, and when you want to use it like that, you can do. And there is the Samsung micro SD card.